guys, good afternoon, welcome to my vlog. And here again, I'll see the Christmas decor. Advance Merry Christmas everyone. They have a nice ayan, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Have a nice decor. A new decor. I'm going back home because I need to do something. My co-sister is waiting for the money. I'm gonna send to them for the Christmas gift. So I need to go home.